This is the easiest way to embed your YouTube channel or any social media into your website or application. I'm making this video because I receive a request from one of my subscribers saying, "Thanks, please. How can you integrate YouTube channel? Not a single video for the whole channel in AppCreator24. So I made this. All you just have to do is to go to your browser and type the word tag embed. You have to click on the first link that shows on the screen.
Search for the Tag Embed homepage. Enter your email address and start your free trial. Sign up for the free trial. To begin with, select YouTube as your source network. You can add a YouTube feed via channel URL, playlist, keywords, location, and YouTube Shorts. Here we add feeds through channel URL. For channel URL, open the YouTube channel you wanted to add, and copy the URL from above. Come back to Tag Embed app, paste the URL in the box and create the feed. You will see all the videos aggregated from YouTube. But it is not necessary that you want all the videos. For that, go to the Filter and Moderation panel at the left sidebar, and remove the videos you don't want to be visible on your widget. Come back to the editor. You will see that the feed you made private is no longer visible. Now, before publishing your widget, you can go to the Personalize and Layout panel at the left sidebar, and choose a theme for your widget, which best suits the style of your website. Tag Embed provides you with various layouts that help you enhance the grace of your website. You can choose the best layout that suits your website theme. After selecting theme, you can also change the background, add a banner, make changes to the card style, and in the theme settings you can make dedicated settings to your theme from wide options available. Now you have a personalized YouTube widget. It's time to embed it on your HTML website. Click on the Embed Widget button. Choose HTML as your CMS platform. Manually adjust the width and height of the widget. And copy the embed code. Go to the backend of your HTML website, and paste the embed code in the body tag. Save the changes. Congratulations, you have successfully embedded the YouTube videos on your HTML website.
And now it's time to embed the YouTube channel or your AppCreator24. Come to your AppCreator24. Click on the section button. Create a new section. And now you have to create an HTML section. So on this HTML section, you have to enter directly HTML code. Click on Next. So you have to paste the code you copy from Tag Embed into the space below the page contact. Just highlight it and paste the code you copy. And now click on Save. Congratulations, you have successfully embed your YouTube channel in your app.